Meaning of familial.
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 Familial. Familial is an adjective that describes something related to or typical of a family. It can refer to traits, behaviors, or conditions that run in families or are passed down genetically. For example, familial inheritance refers to the passing down of traits or conditions from one generation to the next within a family. Familial relationships refer to the connections and bonds between family members. Overall, familial pertains to anything that is specific to or associated with a particular family or group of related individuals.